Seniors, use turmeric like this and watch 5 joint pains disappear. Today, I'm going to show you how turmeric can help with joint pain. This golden milk recipe is great for seniors or anyone dealing with joint pain, stiffness, or inflammation. The active compound in turmeric is called curcumin. Curcumin is a very powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. It has been shown to reduce joint pain and inflammation in many studies. You can find many of these studies in the description below. This golden milk has anti-inflammatory properties that are great for your joints, and it tastes delicious. I prefer using coconut milk or almond milk because they are both anti-inflammatory and they have healthy fats which are great for your joints. But if you don't have either one of those, you can use regular milk or even oat milk. Here I am using a strainer and a bowl to collect the liquid. Some people also like to add a little bit of honey to their golden milk, and that's perfectly fine. Seniors, use turmeric like this and watch 5 joint pains disappear. This will help you sleep better and reduce inflammation while you sleep. Drinking it in the morning is also fine, but I recommend drinking it at night. If it was, please leave a thumbs up below. Also, please share this video with your friends and family. And if you have any questions, please leave them below. I will try my best to answer on senior wellness them. Seniors, use turmeric like this and watch 5 joint pains disappear. You can add a little bit of honey if you like. You can also use a cheesecloth to get a smoother consistency. Now, if you are using cheesecloth, make sure to squeeze the turmeric particles to extract all the liquid. I will also be sharing some additional tips to relieve joint pain at the end of this video, so make sure to watch till the end. Now, if you don't have fresh turmeric, you can use ground turmeric. Make sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Use turmeric like this and watch 5 joint pains disappear. First, you must get regular exercise. Exercise is the most important thing to relieve joint pain and senior wellness. Just make sure that you choose the right exercises. Swimming and cycling are great low-impact exercises that won't put too much stress on your joints. Walking is also great, but make sure to walk on flat surfaces and avoid walking up and down stairs. Second, you must maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight puts extra stress on your joints, especially on your knees and hips. So if you are overweight, losing just 5 to 10 pounds can make a huge difference in your joint pain. Third, eat anti-inflammatory foods. In addition to turmeric, other foods that are great for joint pain are salmon, sardines, walnuts, flax seeds, spinach, kale, broccoli, carrots, and apples for senior wellness. Fourth, get enough sleep. Sleep is very important for joint health. Make sure to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Fifth, consider taking supplements. There are many supplements that are great for joint pain. The most popular ones are omega-3 fatty acids, glucosamine, and chondroitin. Stir it occasionally, and once it's done, you can turn off the heat and let it cool down a little bit. Just make sure that it's organic and free of lead. We are adding pepper because it helps our bodies absorb curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, much better. If you're not sure, look in the description below. Also, we are only using 1 inch of turmeric. Please do not add more than that, because too much turmeric will turn your skin orange and it will stain. So 1 inch is the perfect amount. Seniors, use turmeric like this and watch 5 joint pains disappear. I have personally used turmeric for joint pain, and I must say it's one of the best natural remedies out there. If you don't like ginger, you don't have to add it. But I do recommend adding it because ginger is anti-inflammatory and it tastes really good with turmeric. Now, let's get started with the recipe. To make this golden milk, you will need 1 cup of milk. Now, you can use any type of milk. Next, add 1 inch of fresh turmeric. Next, add ½ inch of ginger. Now, ginger is optional. Next, add 4 peppercorns. Black pepper or any pepper will work. Now bring this mixture to a boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Once it's cool enough to touch, you can strain the mixture into a cup. Now you can enjoy your golden milk. You can drink it as it is, or you can use a straw to drink it. Make sure to drink this golden milk at night before bed. Now, let's talk about the additional tips that I promised. A 2023 study showed turmeric reduced joint pain as effectively as ibuprofen without the gut damage. I hope this video was helpful.